Hi, this is Igor. I will show you how to delete a Postgres database from Resolve, because when you disconnect them from Resolve, they don't actually get deleted from the server. I will right-click on this database called Restored and select Disconnect. And the database is gone from the project manager, but it's really not deleted, which you can see if you launch PgAdmin 4. PgAdmin 4 is a tool that you may or may not have on your system. It's easy to download. If you're running it for the first time, you will not have your server under the servers, but you can add your server by clicking on Add New Server. Let's look what's underneath our server. So here's the database that we disconnected. It's still there. It's taking up the storage on the server. If you truly want to delete it, which in the parlance of databases it's called drop, select Delete Drop. And it's gone. Hey, in case you didn't know, I've been making apps for Resolve, and you can find out more about that at metafied.com.